So let's see remainder theorem. So whenever expression, suppose a into b into c is divided by n, then the remainder of this expression is equal to ar into br into cr divided by n. So what is ar, br and cr? So ar is remainder when a is divided by n, and br is remainder when b is divided by n, and cr is remainder when c is divided by n. So for better understanding, let's see an example. So suppose 15, 17 into 19 is divided by 7. So 15, 17 into 19 is divided by 7, and we have to find the remainder of this. Take so its remainder will be equal to the remainder if this is divided by 15, and what is the remainder? It will give the same remainder. So you can see into r 17 7 into r 19 7 by 7. So this difficult expression which was looking like a scary one, ar, br and cr, is what it was nothing but when we divide the denominator 7 to the numerator and what the remainder we get, so both the expression will have the same remainder. So you should fit this thing in the mind, so this will help you to visualize. So here what will be our remainder? 1. Here what will be our remainder? 7 and 7 to the 14. So here our remainder is 3, and here our remainder is 5. So if we see, so net 3 into 5 is 15 by 7. So in this case, what is the remainder? 1. So now we will see a better question, like a more difficult question, so that we can have a good practice. So what is the remainder when 9 to the power of 100 by 7 is this? So we can expand 9 to the power of 100 as 9 into 9 into 9, how many times? 100 times, divided by 7. So each time we have, if it will be giving the same remainder as 7 is divided by 9, so it will give, when 7 is divided by 9, it will give 2. Again it will give 7 is divided by 9, it will give 2. Similarly, how many times? 100 times. Okay, so what will be our to the power of 100? 7. So we can see that 9 to the power of 100 by 7, whatever the remainder is, it is equal to 2 to the power of 100 by 7. If you can understand till this, then the next part is going to be like repetitions. So like 2 to the power of 100. So if of 100 we take out 5 and 20 outside, we are using actually the exponent one, so we are having no problem. So we are not going to write this r repeatedly. So 2 to the power 5 will give us 32 to the power 20 by 7. So again when we divide 7 to 32, we will get remainder 4. So it will be equal to the remainder given by expression, 4 to the power 20 by 7. Okay, so 4 to the power 20 by 7. Now so we will take again 4 square and 10, so we will get 16 to the power 10 by 7, same remainder. So when 7 is divided by 16, we get 2 as remainder, 2 to the power 10 by 7. Again if we take 5 inside of the power, 2 to the power 5, 2, 7. So again 32 square 7. So if 7 is divided by 32, we get 4 square by 7. So at last we are getting 4 square by 7 as a remainder. So 4 square will be 16, and 16 is divided by 7, we get 2 as remainder. So our net final answer is 2. So that's it. I think this was clear. So if there is any doubt, you can rewatch the video, so it will give you a better understanding. I think I have tried my best. let's see if I could give further examples in future videos. So thanks.